It's one of the most iconic moments in movie history. An agent and superstar are speaking on the phone and yelling, "Show me the money." It's a famous line in a song, "Money, money, money." It's dead presidents. It's many slang words. It's even a single letter. It is at the center of how we perceive success, and it makes us all so green at times. Money is everywhere, and for many, money is everything. Even Jesus speaks many times on money. One of those times is when there's a rich young man who comes to him and asks Jesus how he can make sure that he'll be a part of God's kingdom. Now, I've come to notice that when we study this story that many of us, myself included, like to picture this man as a slimy, sleazy, make money at any cost kind of guy. But that's not who this rich man was in the text. Not only was he rich in wealth, but he was rich in religiosity too. He went to all of the festivals. He knew and obeyed all of the main laws. He did all the right rituals. He knew all about how to do faith. But even still, he could tell that something was lacking, and so he asked Jesus this tough question that many of us struggle with, and that is, how can we know that we'll be a part of God's kingdom? Jesus' answer was shocking then and is still surprising for many today. Jesus tells the man that he knows faith well, but that he's lacking one thing, and here's the tough part. He says to the man, "Go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me." Jesus says to you, you who have to get the newest gadget, the newest car, the newest home, the newest thing, Jesus says, "Go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me." Jesus says to you, you who oppose a raise in taxes, or you who would welcome a raise in taxes, "Go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me." Jesus says to you, you who go to church every week to sit in the pews and be seen, "Go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me." Jesus says to you, you who call yourself spiritual but lack a community of faith, "Go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and then follow me." Jesus says to you, you who is miserly with your time, talent, and money, "Go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me." Jesus says to you, you who think that your church is healthy by looking at your bank accounts instead of your ministry outside of yourselves, to go and sell all of your church's possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me. Jesus says to you, you who think your church is healthy by looking at how much you spend on your own programming instead of how much you give to others, "Go and sell all of your church's possessions, give the money to the poor, and follow me." Jesus isn't talking to anyone else. He's talking to you. Do you hear him? It's no one else's responsibility but yours. And he says, as hard as it is to hear, to go and sell all of your possessions, give the money to the poor, and to follow him. Go and rid yourself of whatever idols you have in your life that are getting in between you and God. And take that extra money, that extra time, that extra talent, and use it for kingdom work. Be with the poor. Be with the sick. Be with the imprisoned. Follow Christ.